Hello everybody, Chad from Colorado Giants coming to you from on top of the screen house. Emily and I are cleaning up, say hi, are cleaning up the screen house, getting the top off and the sides off. We're going to dismantle that whole side so that I can get my tripod, which is over there, and pick it up. And we got away off this Saturday. Today is, what is today? Today is Tuesday. So just getting ahead of the game, getting everything ready so that it's relatively easy to pick and go and not have, knock on wood, any unforeseen complications. But the view from up here is pretty good. You can see where we got, where Tooth's plant, the 2043 Clements. I was able to manhandle Tooth outside of the pumpkin patch. That was a nightmare. Don't recommend it unless you want to have a stroke rolling a pumpkin that's probably a few hundred pounds, much more than I thought it was. McRib over there, the 1937 Urana is looking real good. The one of the 1317 number 1, and in addition to that, the 1, 2, and we're over here. I don't know if you can see it. There's another substantial sized pumpkin right there. When I untangle these plants, I'll be really curious to see which plant these two pumpkins, because you can see there's one right there and then there's one right there, which plants those came off of. I'm thinking, unfortunately, probably came off of Gouda over there, which is my biggest pumpkin, so that'll be unfortunate. But while we're filming and doing an update, we'll go ahead and cut open Tooth. We let the chickens get after him. I was trying to roll them up front. We're going to cut open Tooth real quick. Will you help me saw? I just got to chainsaw something. So the chickens have been getting after Tooth. Emily and I were going to try and roll it up front, but when I was rolling it, it cracked. And then since the chickens just kind of do their own thing, over the course of a day, they've taken out a substantial amount of pumpkin flesh. You want to film? You don't want to saw? Alright, so Emily doesn't want to saw. So we're going to cut Tooth open. Tooth is solid as a rock. This pumpkin's it is thick. So I'm really curious what it's going to look like. So it would have been a nice pumpkin. This is the 2043 Clements. And the color is probably, I don't know, right up there with that, get a little closer. Right up there with the 1937. But, yeah. Let's try and cut it straight in half as best as we can. If my chainsaw was in the backyard, we'd definitely be chainsawing this. I can't believe how much the chickens ate out of this thing.
Chickens like pumpkin.
Apparently, so let's see if we could do a judo chop. Holy moly.
That is a thick-walled pumpkin.
Look at that. Look at that. Holy Hannah. Look at that. That is crazy.
But it's like nothing over there. It's interesting.
Yeah. Bottom was relatively thin.
Real thin.
Let's get a closer look. Diagnose it. There we go. Yeah. Look at that.
So
right
it goes
there.
from like 1 inch on the bottom to like
that's where it
2
cracked
feet
too.
on the top.
Yeah, that is. This is what, a 18-inch blade?
Yeah, it's probably about 18 inches.
I'd say so. Yeah, I mean, shoot. That's 18 to 20 inches right up on the head of it. Wow. We do got some seeds in here. So this was pollinated with the 1937, which is another nice orange pumpkin. The plant did really good. So we will save these seeds and maybe give it give it a stab at growing, because I mean that's pretty awesome right there. Emily's giving me the thumbs up. So we're gonna finish taking down the screen house, set up the tripod, and we're gonna get a cover crop in, because no more goofing around. I know I said this last year and the year before, and probably the year before that, but this time it's almost for serious. We're gonna do better next year and grow that state record pumpkin and beat Joe. But as always, guys, questions, comments, queries, concerns, reach out, get out there, grow a giant pumpkin. We'll see you at a way off.